Just preparing for another 2012 death. Okay, I think zombies and demons are the only thing that's gonna... Ah! Meteors! I should have known. Armageddon. Oh no. More meteors. Ow, ow. Who? Oh yes. Tip number 1. We're gonna live underground now. Yay! I'm so safe in my basement. Oh, and more meteors! No! Where's those meteors coming from? Huh? What?
I could explain. Okay.
Kim saying, you're the cause of Armageddon.
I'm Father Nature. Mother Nature, she wanted to get a boy, but too late. I'm sorry, but everybody has to die.
No! Oh!